हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. The petitioner has preferred the present writ petition with the prayer to issue a writ in the nature of quo warranto against the respondent number 6 to vacate the post of Gram Pradhan of Gram Panchayat Gohra Alamgirpur Block Simbhavli Tehsil and District Hapur full stop. Forthwith, with the further prayer to issue a mandamus directing the concerned respondent to restrain the respondent number 6 from functioning as Gram Pradhan of the village in question full stop para. Facts in brief as contained in the writ petition are that in the Panchayat general elections of 2015, the respondent number 6, namely Sanchit son of Ram Kishan, had filed his nomination papers on 23/11/2015 for the post of Gram Pradhan of village Panchayat Gohra, Alamgirpur, Block Simbhavli, Tehsil and District Hapur full stop. General election of Gram Panchayat in question was held on 1/12/2015 in which respondent number 6 was elected as Gram Pradhan full stop. The petitioner came to know regarding the fact that respondent number 6 was elected as Gram Pradhan for the first time in the month of April 2017 and immediately thereafter he moved an application asking certain informations under Right to Information Act 2005 from the Office of District Inspector of Schools, Hapur full stop. It is contended that the petitioner came to know that the respondent number 6 was working on the post of assistant clerk in an institution, namely Shri Gandhi Smarak Inter College, Hapur in bracket here and after called as institution bracket out full stop para. It is stated in the writ petition that the respondent number 6 has not resigned from the post of clerk prior to election of Gram Pradhan nor after he was elected on the post of Gram Pradhan full stop. It is further stated in the writ petition that the institution in question is a government-aided institution and all its teachers and employees are getting their salary from state exchequer in terms of Uttar Pradesh high schools and intermediate colleges in bracket payment of salaries of teachers and other employees bracket out Act 1971 full stop. It is further stated in the writ petition that the post on which the respondent number 6 is working comes within the purview of the Office of Profit and attracts disqualification under Section 5A in bracket C of UP Panchayat Raj Act, 1947 full stop para. It is further stated in the writ petition that Part 9 of the Constitution of India was inserted by the 73rd Amendment Act 1992 with effect from 24/4/1993 full stop. By the aforesaid amendment, Article 243F was also inserted in the Constitution full stop. Article 243F is reproduced below (para). Disqualification for membership. First, a person shall be disqualified for being chosen as and for being a member of Panchayat para A if he is so disqualified by or under any law for the time being in force for the purposes of elections to the legislature of the state concerned para, provided that no person shall be disqualified on the ground that he is less than 25 years of age if he has attained the age of 21 years full stop. Para B, if he is so disqualified by or under any law made by the legislature of the state full stop over. तो दोस्तों ये हो गया है 120 प्लस की स्पीड में, ठीक है। 120 नहीं है, ये ईमानदारी से बता रहे हैं 125-25 के आसपास पड़ेगी, ठीक है। हो सकता है आगे भी हो, लेकिन बस यहीं तक है। तो ये हम आपको इसलिए करवा रहे हैं ना, ताकि जो 120 का डिक्टेशन है ना, वो एकदम आप उंगली तोड़ के फाड़ दीजिए कॉपी। अब उंगली तोड़ने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप बिस्तर इस पे मतलब टेबल पे रख दीजिए उंगली, मतलब ये लेवल है एग्जाम्पल देने का, समझ रहे हैं। तो जब पेपर फट उठ जाता है ना तब बढ़िया से लिखाता है डिक्टेशन। तो समझ रहे हैं, यही है क्या कहते हैं, जब कॉपी एकदम जब धुआं धुआं करने लगती है ना तब एग्ज़ाम भी बढ़िया से जाता है। ठीक है, तो 2 मिनट के बाद जो है 6वें मिनट से शुरू करेंगे डिक्टेशन दूसरी वाली। ओके, तो थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लीजिए, क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन हैवी होने वाली है। हाँ, तो चलिए 30 सेकंड के बाद अब डिक्टेशन शुरू हो जाएगी। ठीक है, तो 10 सेकंड बचे हैं आपके पास, तैयारी कर लीजिए। क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन अब 10 सेकंड के बाद शुरू होगी। स्टार्ट। द प्रेजेंट क्रिमिनल रिवीजन has been preferred by the accused revisionist against the order dated 7/9/2019 passed by the learned trial court in sessions trial number 385 of 2012 in bracket CBI versus Rahul Verma bracket out arising out of case crime number RC 14 in bracket S of 2010 of police station CBI slash SCB slash Lucknow under sections 302, 201 and 364 IPC pending in the court of Learned Special Judge CBI, court number 2 Lucknow full stop para. Wide impugned order, the Learned Trial Court has accepted the application dated 6/8/2019 filed by the CBI for taking on record the certificate under section 65B of the Evidence Act in respect of call details record in bracket CDR bracket out of mobile numbers 986 930 6235 and 9454 741884 full stop para. The present case is based on circumstantial evidence full stop. An FIR at case crime number 842 of 2008 was registered under sections 302 and 201 IPC Police Station Kalyanpur, District Kanpur on 3/9/2008 on the basis of inquest and post-mortem report etc. and on the complaint of Mr. O.P. Arya, Security Officer, IIT, full stop. In the same case, another FIR at case crime number 137 of 2008 under section 364 IPC was registered on 13/10/2008 at police station Moolganj, District Kanpur on the basis of written report of Surya Kumar Bajpayee dated 20/1/2008 full stop. Two separate investigations in respect of these two FIRs were undertaken by Police Station Kalyanpur and Police Station Moolganj full stop para. This court wide order dated 8/10/2010 passed in writ petition number 15831 in bracket MB bracket out of 2009 filed by Mr. S.K. Bajpayee, transferred the investigation of both the cases to CBI slash SCB Lucknow full stop. Charge sheet number 2 of 2012 was filed against the accused Rahul Verma on 18/4/2012 full stop. According to the aforesaid charge sheet, a stack of human bones was recovered from the IIT full stop campus Kanpur. It was sent to CFSL Chandigarh for examination. CFSL Chandigarh prepared its report dated 5/4/2011 full stop. According to the said report, on the basis of cellular and molecular examination, the skeleton was of Shri Adesh Kumar Bajpayee, son of Surya Kumar Bajpayee and Savitri Devi full stop. along with the aforesaid charge sheet, document D32 true copy of CDR and D33 email messages and exhibits car 29 and car 25 were enclosed full stop. Along with the charge sheet, certificate under section 65B of the Evidence Act was not enclosed full stop para. The accused applicant filed an application number 25B before the trial court stating that in absence of the certificate under section 65B of the Evidence Act, the electronic record / evidence is not admissible in evidence full stop. The CBI filed its objection to the said application and the learned trial court wide order dated 5/4/2019 full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है ठीक 120 से 120 प्लस की स्पीड में। जो कमेंट्स हो बताइएगा, डिक्टेशन को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिएगा। जो नए हो उसको भी वो भी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब वगैरह कर दें, ठीक है। बाकी सब चीज़ें सेम रहेंगी। तो मिलते हैं फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में, ओके।